All of you please open your moral science book. Today we will study the new chapter, that is lesson 4, be polite. Polite means children vinam. Okay, we should be polite. Okay, all of you now put your finger. Long ago there lived a king. He had one daughter named Ratna. The king was worried about her marriage, as Ratna had one condition according to which the only man who will give answers to the questions asked by Ratna's grandmother shall be her husband. Now children, this story is about a king who had one daughter, and the name of that daughter was Ratna. The king was too much worried about her marriage. The king was too much worried about Ratna's marriage because there was one condition. Ratna told that she is going to marry to that person only who is going to answer the questions asked by her grandmother. Ratna बोली कि हम उसी शख्स से शादी करेंगे जो कि मेरी दादी का सारा प्रश्नों का उत्तर सही दे दे. So many men failed in answering Ratna's grandmother answer. बहुत लोग ऐसे थे जो रत्ना की दादी का आंसर नहीं दे पाए. And every time, since all the men they refused to answer grandmother's question, Ratna refused to marry them. Okay, so Ratna's father, he was always worried. Okay, intelligent men from every corner of the world tried, but they did not succeed. One day a young man came to the palace and expressed his desire to answer those questions. Now children, several intelligent men from all over the country came to the palace to answer the question asked by grandmother. But all the men, they refused to answer. Okay children? After some time, a young man, he came to the palace and he expressed his desire to answer those questions. एक बार की बात है, एक यंग मैन जो है आया और वो अपनी इच्छा प्रकट किया और वो बोला कि मैं प्रश्नों का उत्तर देने के लिए तैयार हूँ. Okay? Now let's see what happens. Ratna entered the hall with her grandmother. She was a 90-year-old lady. The young man looked very carefully at her. She opened her mouth, showed her tongue, and then pointed towards her teeth. Now children, that man, he came to palace, and firstly whom he met? He met the king. And he told that he want to answer the questions. Okay, so in the hall, Ratna came with her grandmother. Okay, and what was the age of the grandmother? The age of the grandmother was 90. She was 90-year-old. Now children, the young man looked very carefully at her. That means the young man looked at Dadi very carefully at her. Okay? She opened her mouth. Dadi अपना मुंह खोलती है and showed her tongue. She showed her tongue and also to her teeth. Okay? सिर्फ दादी का सिर्फ इतना ही प्रश्न था. वो अपने टंग की ओर दिखलाती है और अपने जीभ की ओर दिखलाती है. Now this young man, he understood everything. Now we will come to know what he answers. At once he understood the question according to which Ratna's grandmother wanted him to explain why even after 90 years old, all her teeth were broken, but her tongue still remained in her mouth. Now children, when grandmother showed her the tongue and teeth, then that young man, he understood the question at once. He understood the question at once. Okay? Now children, what was the question of the Dadi? The question of the Dadi was that at the age of 90 साल के एज में हमारा सारा दांत जो है वो झड़ गया है, बट माई टंग इज देयर. दादी का क्वेश्चन जो है ये यंग मैन जो है समझ गया था. What was Dadi talking about? Dadi was talking about that why all the teeth of my mouth, they have gone. They were broken. Why? But what does still remain? Tongue is remain there. Why it is so? When Dadi showed her tongue and teeth, this young boy, he came to know the question asked by Dadi. So he is asking the question from Dadi. Okay children? Now turn the page. He bowed before the king and gave the following answer. Our teeth are hard, because of which they cannot change their nature. They are fixed at one place, and so they cannot live for a longer period of time. On the other hand, our tongue is soft and is flexible, and so it hardly undergoes any change till a person's death. Now children, here that young man is answering the question that our teeth is very hard, and due to its hardness it is unable to change its nature. हमारा जो teeth है वो जो है बहुत hard है, और हार्डनेस के वजह से ये नेचर में क्या क्या हो रहा है उसके अनुकूल ये अपना टीथ जो है चेंज नहीं कर सकता है. वहीं पर जो हमारा टंग होता है वो जो है सॉफ्ट होता है, मूवेबल होता है. ओके, सॉफ्ट होता है, मूवेबल होता है, और वो टंग में किसी भी प्रकार का कोई भी चेंज नहीं आता है. जब हम लोग बूढ़े होते हैं तो हमारा दांत झड़ जाता है, लेकिन जब हम लोग बूढ़े होते हैं तो हमारा जीभ जो है वो नहीं झड़ता है, वो ज्यों का त्यों रहता है. Got it all of you? Likewise in life too, only those who are soft and kind to others survive and win in the end, whereas those who are harsh always lose everything. Now children, here that young man is telling that the people who are harsh, they will lose everything, and the people who are like tongue, they will gain everything, because they are soft and kind. They can survive in any other world, but this teeth which is stronger, which is harder, it will not go under change. It will not go any change. So the teeth, what they did, the teeth, they broke down. So the person who is quite hard, who is quite strong, what will happen? They will one day, they will break down. But the person who is flexible like tongue, they will change themselves in each and every situation. And since that person will change himself in every situation, those persons can live for a longer time. What else, children? Ratna became very happy at the young man's reply. She immediately gave her consent for the marriage. The king's dream was fulfilled. Now, children, Ratna became happy when the young man replied, and then Ratna told that she will marry that young man. वो जो है young man से शादी करने के लिए अब वो सहमत है. Okay? The dream of the king was fulfilled. जो राजा का सपना था कि रत्ना घर शादी हो जाए, वो क्या हो गया? वो पूरा हो गया. Dear children, we are blessed with power of speech. Use it carefully. Learn always to be truth. With politeness, you are sure to. With politeness, you are sure to win. What is, children? Here, the poet is telling that. The writer is telling that this, what Ratna she does now, she is happy and she gives approval for marriage with that young man, and in this way the dream of the king was fulfilled. So children, we are also blessed with the power of speech. भगवान जो है हम लोगों को आशीर्वाद दिया है ताकि हम लोग बोल सकें. That is why children, use polite words to speak, to tell, to talk. Use polite words to talk. Never try to be harsh. If you will be harsh, then everybody will cut off from you. So children, you should always be as soft as this Ratna. Understood all of you? Okay children, have a good day now. Bye-bye.